Today we learn about a beautiful sunnah of Prophet ﷺ, Imamah Sharif, turban, inshaAllah Azza wa Jal. 2 rak'at performed whilst wearing an imamah are better than offering 70 rak'at without wearing imamah. Wearing an imamah over a cap is a way of Muslims, and for every fold of the imamah that a Muslim wraps around his head, he will be given 1 noor on the day of judgment, when we will be in need of noor. Further it is said, no doubt Allah Azza wa Jal and His angels send salat on Friday on those who wear an imamah. So blessings are showered upon those who wear imamah. Offering salah whilst wearing an imamah is equivalent to 10,000 virtues. But if somebody tells us that you will be given 10,000 pounds if you do so and so work, now how many of us will be ready to do that? Further it is said, 1 Salatul Jumu'ah performed whilst wearing an imamah is equivalent to 70 Salatul Jumu'ah performed without an imamah. It is appropriate to wrap the first fold of the imamah towards the right side of the head. It is also mentioned that it should be tied in a dome-like shape. So when you take off the imamah, removing Imamah Sharif, instead of taking it off at once, untie each fold one by one. Allama Shaykh Abdul Haq Muhaddis Dahelwi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh has stated, the blessed imamah of the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam was often white, sometimes black and sometimes green.